Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today's recipe proves that simple flour and potatoes can become something delicious, crunchy and fun. These crispy Atta Aloo twists are loaded with flavor, beautifully layered. Let's start the recipe. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix everything well. Gradually pour in 1/3 cup water and make a smooth dough. Apply a little oil on top and let it rest. Now prepare the filling. Take 2 boiled mashed potatoes in a bowl. Add half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon chaat masala, 1 tablespoon corn flour, and mix thoroughly. Chaat masala adds a tangy street food flavor. Potatoes are one of the world's most widely used snacks ingredients. The filling should be firm and easy to spread. Now take a portion of dough and roll it. Roll the dough thin for maximum crispiness. Spread the potato mixture over the surface. Spread the filling evenly for consistent flavor. Fold the dough as shown. Cut into long strips. Creative shapes can make simple homemade snacks look bakery style. Gently twist each strip to create beautiful layers. Twisted snacks often become crispier because of their layered structure. Heat oil over medium flame. Carefully fry the twist until they turn deep golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Cook on medium heat so the layers crisp up properly. Potatoes provide energy and help make snacks satisfying. Fresh spices add flavor without artificial seasoning. Making snacks at home can reduce reliance on processed foods. Your crispy Atta Aloo twists are ready, golden, crunchy and full of flavor. Would you enjoy this with ketchup, green chutney or a cup of hot tea? Let me know in the comments. Follow Enoven Foods for more creative snacks, easy recipes and homemade favorites.